Olive trees are trees that can live up to thousands of years. This one tree usually grows in Mediterranean regions such as Spain and Italy. Now, the country that is the largest producing country in the world is Spain, followed by Greece. Olive trees can thrive and have a long life in areas with cool winter climates and long dry summer. The recommended soil content must have a sufficient acid and alkali content with a pH greater than 5 and less than 8.5. After checking the condition of the soil and meeting the basic needs of the content for the development of olives, then the farmer will clear the land by plowing the land and adjusting the planting area. Some things that must be considered by the farmers are the location of the olive fields, where the location of this plantation must be able to provide full direct sun needs at least 6 hours per day, so that olive groves are usually developed in unison starting from an area of hundreds to thousands of hectares. Olive trees are classified as trees that are difficult to cultivate through their seeds. It requires extra care and requires a longer harvest period. So, to meet the needs of a large olive plantation, they usually use tissue culture techniques and also cutting to multiply olive tree seedlings. These olive seedlings will be specially treated in a greenhouse until they reach a height of between 1.2 to 1.5 meters. After that, this tree will be brought to the plantation to be planted in the open fields of olive plantations. Even though it has a dry habitat, during this development before the olive tree bears fruit, the seedlings need enough water. So, workers will prepare drip irrigation with long hoses that are straight in the line with the olive tree planting medium. Olive trees need to be watered daily during summer. During its development, olive trees receive regular maintenance such as fertilizing, watering, and planting secondary branches of olive trees to accelerate the growth of the main trunk. It is like other trees, olive trees are also susceptible to pests such as black scale. In some cases, insecticides are applied to fight these pests. If the olive tree is propagated by seed, it begins to bear fruit at the age of 5 years after planting. Olive trees propagated by cuttings and grafts can begin to bear fruit as early as 2 years after planting. And when the harvest season arrives, the farmer will bring a tractor. This machine still has the same working method and frame design, with grape harvester where this vehicle will pass above the olive tree. Then it will move the olive tree with rotating forks, making the olives fall. When the olives fall down, the conveyor is ready to pick up and carry them up. Then with the hands of this conveyor directing the olives to the transport tractor that runs to the side of this harvesting tractor. After harvesting, the olives will be transported to the factory and processed here. Which is your favorite and what do you find most interesting?